everyone. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So it's been a while since I've done a video. I've been very busy with work. I'm going to do another video on that sometime in the future about my lifestyle and whatnot, and can use some input and suggestions from all of you. So today I have a stitch fix. I have the same stylist. Her name is Lori, and she's doing a pretty good job for me. This is my 43rd fix. I told her I was definitely looking for leggings and, casual shorts. I even specifically said I wanted to try the Dear John shorts. So when I go through this with you, I'm going to show you what I picked out from my preview first, and then I'm going to show you what she ended up replacing. All right, first up, I've never actually tried this brand. They're called Thrive Society Unwind Pocket Performance Legging, and they're like in a heather gray. All right. Now, in her note to me, she says to me, do you prefer neutrals in your workout wear? And I'm going to respond to her, yes, I generally do prefer neutrals. So this is good. I need the capri length because I'm short. I hate when things bunch around my knees and ankles. The pockets here are good on the side. I never was a pocket girl, but now when I do run outside, I don't want to have to dig around for my one pair of leggings that has pockets. Typically when I'm working out inside, I don't need pockets, but when I go outside, I obviously need my phone, my keys, etc. All right, so the pockets do come in handy. I'll give these a go. They're a Thrive Society Unwind Pocket Performance in gray, and it's a heather gray, size small. So I told her in leggings I could probably do a small or extra small, depending. She sent these in a small, and they're $54. So these might be a possibility. And again, I specifically said I would like some Dear John shorts, because I have one pair from Stitch Fix a couple years ago, and I really like them and like the way they fit. So she did send another pair. All right, and these are the Dear John Finnegan roll cuff linen printed shorts. So they just have a pinstripe. They're they're a linen material, and I would even call the color linen. It's like an off-white. They have the slash pockets on the side. Let's see, real pockets? No, faux pockets here in the back. They do seem a little bit see-through, not really see-through, but they're thin and they're nice linen fabric. She sent them over in a size 25 or 0, and they're $58, which is pretty pricey for a pair of shorts. But if I like the way they fit, I like the way they fit. Next up, I was asked for a layered necklace in gold. I have some silver layered necklaces. I don't have any in gold. And when she sent this over in the preview, I said, oh, that's cute, I really like it. But now I'm kind of rethinking it, right? It's cute, but it's only 2 layers, and it's just that little bar, which I don't mind, but I'm almost thinking, is this look kind of dated at this point? Is this bar like old, and now it is more like the paperclip chain and the coin style, etc. And that's not necessarily what I want either, because I do have a paperclip chain and coin necklace. But I'm almost thinking this might almost seem a little dated. I don't know. So I got it. I like it, but I think I saw something in the anniversary sale at Nordstrom's that I like a little bit better. So I'm thinking I'm going to send this back. I'm thinking about it, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to send it back. It's the Jill Michael Elliott pre-layered bar necklace in gold for $28. All right, so those are the 3 items I picked from the preview. Then I said to her in response, I said, I could still use more leggings. The first pair of leggings she showed me were full length. I'm like, they're just going to be too long on me. There's no question about it. And I could also use more Dear John shorts. So she found these Dear John shorts. They're supposedly the same ones, just a different fabric and print. Dear John roll cuff printed short in gray, also a size 25. $58, and these feel like cotton. Okay, they're 70% cotton, 27% polyester, 3% spandex. And it's machine washed separately in cold water, wash inside out, do not bleach, tumble dry low. All right, so we'll try them on. They're a gray leopard print, which is fairly neutral enough. You can wear pretty much any solid with this. So I don't mind this. I'm not a huge leopard print person. It's okay, nothing wrong with it. I don't necessarily know I want shorts in it. Oh, okay, and these Dear John, the ones that I said were linen, they're actually 65% rayon, 35% linen. Even though they feel quite linen-y, apparently not, okay? Then the last thing that she sent over is these Beyond Yoga out-of-pocket high-waisted, I'm gonna assume leggings, all right? And that's one thing I needed, high-waisted leggings in teal green in size extra small, all right? These are the midi performance leggings. So in other words, they're not full length. So hopefully this will work for me. And in her note, she asked, is this okay or do you prefer neutrals? To me, this is a neutral. It's coming across more green than it really is in real life. It's like almost like a dark, like a navy green. It's like really, it's a dark color. It's neutral enough for me. These are soft as butter. These are like my Lululemon leggings. These are gorgeous. I really like these. I really like the feel of them. She sent them over in an extra small and they're $99. But for $99, I must love them. I'm looking at the leg. They do seem quite long. I will give them a try though. For $99, they gotta be perfect, all right? I do really like the material on this and the color is perfect. It's neutral enough for me. All right, give me a few minutes and I'll do the try on. First up are the Beyond Yoga leggings. These are gorgeous. They're beautiful, buttery, soft. I absolutely love them. They have nice big pockets here on the side, so if I do have to go running outside, there's place for my cell phone. They're a dark teal green, I think neutral enough for me. I don't need anything, I don't like things crazy, but they're a dark color and I think neutral enough. The only thing is they are a little long. I will pan down. I'm trying to think whether or not I can tolerate the length on this or not, and for $99, I'm almost thinking, no, they gotta be perfect. You know, I wish they were like ankle length. They are pooling a little down at the bottom. I will pan down to show you, okay? So they are a little bit extra right here. They're just, I'm like trying to debate whether or not they'll bother me when I'm running because they are a full length legging on me. They're not capris, but they're beautiful. They're absolutely beautiful. I love these, they're soft as butter. They're comparable to my Lululemon, and I just paired it with the white tank that I already have. And I was too lazy to change my bra. I'm just wearing a strapless bra. So if I don't look as perky or whatever, you know why. All right, so this is the back of them, okay? All right, next up, I'm gonna try on the next leggings. I have Society Capri leggings, and these are also a good option. My only concern is that the tummy does not feel it has a lot of compression. And on top of that, it's a little tight on my calves because I have thick calves. So I'm wondering when I exercise if this is going to move down. The material I like, they're super buttery soft as well. I think if you're looking for a lesser expensive pair of leggings, but maybe a step up from Old Navy or something like that, these would probably do it. So they're really a nice legging. I just don't think there's enough compression for me, and I kind of think that the waist would roll on me as I'm doing my workouts. All right, here's the back of them, okay? Again, nice pockets. These pockets aren't as big and deep as the Beyond Yoga leggings, but they are a nice pocket. All right, I think I'm probably going to return these because I can see myself during my workout hiking them up, and that's the worst. Okay, next up, one of the shorts. Linen shorts by Dear John. The rise comes right up to my belly button. Now, in the description, they considered this, I believe, when I saw it, a low rise of 8.5 inches. For me, 8.5 inches is a mid-rise, or at my belly button, okay? People would tell me, well, maybe that's considered, some people, a high rise at your belly button, but to me, this is like my natural waist, so to me, that's mid-rise, all right? I did gain a couple pounds that I've been very hard trying to take off. So the pockets, I don't think are pulling at this point. They're just about to be pulling. I don't think they're too tight because I haven't worn them yet. I'm sure that these will stretch out to a certain extent. They're not like, you know, there's definitely room in here in the back. There's not like, you know, tight around my waist or anything like that. So I think these are keeper. They're the perfect length for me. Look, it comes to my fingertips. This is where I'm comfortable with. And I don't have anything like this in my short arsenal. I'm going to turn around and I'm going to look back at the footage, and if my underwear is like completely see-through, then maybe I will just return them, but at this point I think I'm keeping them. So here's the back of them, okay? Alright, next up are the Dear John leopard print shorts. Now, because they're a different fabric, well actually these fit completely different, even though they're the same exact name and everything. They're a different fabric, they're fitting me much more snug than the linen ones. The length is the same, so right to my fingertips. I see it puckering here a little bit at my hips, which if I really love the shorts, I would say it's no big deal because, like I said, I'm trying to scale down my weight. I'm pretty chunky right now. I know. No, I'm not chunky, but a little bit heavier than I would like to be right now. Okay, so I think that these are going to go back. On top of that, these are a low rise on me. These are coming well below my belly button, okay? So I think for these, I'm gonna return. The fit is just not the same as the other one. I'll turn around so you can see the back. Okay. All right, that's it, I think. Yeah, so I have the necklace, which I'll show you again when I do my wrap up. Give me a minute. I wanted you to take a closer look at this necklace because I don't think you got a good picture of it. It's the bar necklace, a very, very delicate chain, and it has a single clasp with a little bit of adjuster. So this has to be worn together. You couldn't wear them separate. The chains are very delicate, and it is $28. Honestly, I think for what it is, it's a little bit overpriced. I'm looking at something on the anniversary sale that's more money. It's like $60-something. It's 3 chains, and I believe it's coated in 14 karat gold. So I think I'd rather pay a little bit more for something that I think would last. I can see that breaking on me. So that necklace is going back. I definitely returning the gray leggings. The price on it was fine. It was $54. There just isn't enough compression in the waist, and I feel like when I'm doing my workouts, the waist will roll down on me, and I'll be hiking them up. So that's a no. The Beyond Yoga leggings, they fit beautifully, but I really prefer my leggings to be a little bit shorter than that. For $99. I'd rather go and buy the Lululemon leggings that I like are $88. So I'd rather pay $88 for someone I know that I absolutely love versus $99, which I'm not sure if they're going to annoy me or not. So they're going back. I will ask her to send me another pair in capri length, and it would be a definite possibility. Now the Lululemon that I like don't have pockets, so that is a big portion of the price difference, okay? So that's going back. I'm gonna keep the linen shorts by Dear John. I looked back at the footage. It looked like the pockets were possibly a little bit see-through, but it could also just been the way they were laying, that they were kind of lumpy-bumpy when I had them on. But I really like them. They're really comfortable, very lightweight shorts, and when I eventually do go away on vacation again, they'll be perfect. So I'm gonna keep the shorts. I'm gonna return the gray shorts and the necklace. Well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I really appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, why not? It's free. I do a lot of shopping hauls, unboxings, try-ons. I don't go anywhere. I don't leave the house, but I still enjoy clothes, so I would like to share my joy with you. Like my video and take care. And until next time.